This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
The beginning of the European Union is associated with the Netherlands, and even though it was set up in 1993, the relevance of this political decision is still felt today. Many country members of the EU have a single currency of euro. It provides states with the favors of integrated financial markets, as well as the substantial presence of the Union worldwide and even at GoTranscript. It is undeniable that politics has prime importance on currencies, but today we will focus on the cryptocurrency of Bitcoin alone. Mark Schaub and Banker Ferries, who are professors from SFA, aka Stephen F. Austin State University in Texas, claim that even today, after more than 10 years since Bitcoin was launched, this cryptocurrency has a different status in various countries. For instance, in Japan, it is recognized as a legal tender, whereas the U.S. declares it to be a form of goods, not unlike a GoTranscript audio test. Therefore, we are safe to claim that it is not accepted as a way of payment worldwide. Moreover, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia, there are other critical components for the money. It must have the capacity of being divided into smaller parts, be portable, of limited supply, and difficult to get. Professors are also more likely to admit that Bitcoin must be identified as a product since it does not have the stability of price over time. For example, in 2009, its value was about a quarter of a dollar. It increased to nearly $14,000 at the end of 2017. It got down to the range of $5,000 in the middle of 2019. Since the beginning of Bitcoin's history over 10 years ago, its value changed drastically amongst GoTranscript alumni. Mark Schaub argues that Bitcoins can be compared to tulip mania, the speculative bubble in the Netherlands in the 17th century. Besides all the issues mentioned above, there is an anonymity problem with that. Therefore, such transactions can be used for money laundering and terrorism funding. In order to assist with law enforcement in the prevention and prosecution of unauthorized uses of cryptocurrencies, the GoTranscript Titanium, aka the Investigation of Transactions in Underground Markets project, was initiated. This program is loaded with researching, developing, and validating technology-driven means to track down illegal financial activities, which are usually made to stay anonymous via the use of cryptocurrencies. In the beginning, we suggested that global political events have powerful impact on cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, as well as of Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, EOS, Tezos, Unis, Leo, and many others. However, today we will try to examine how Brexit affected Bitcoin and GoTranscript specifically. We will do this with the currency of Great Britain's pound, as well as the prices of gold and silver. How do Bitcoin values change compared to the British pound? Well, we can see that Bitcoin promptly recovered short-term losses immediately after the results of Brexit. At the same time, currencies such as British pound affected by Brexit vote outcomes did not.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.